Good evening, everyone. So, first, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kriti, and I'm your trainer for this internship for your domain, which is your Python developer. Okay, so first, I'll tell you the description how this internship will go, and then within 5 minutes, we'll start your Task-1 class. So, basically, we'll assign you a task like a proper drive will give you in your WhatsApp group. Okay, the management team will give you. So in that drive you have to just select your domain, which is Python developer, and you have to see your Python developer PDF. Then after sending your task, next day there will be a live class which I'm gonna take. Okay, and I'll give you like a proper code and description how to do your task. Then after the live class you can ask me any doubt in the live class also, and after the live class if you face any doubt later, then also you can ask me doubt in the discussion group on Telegram. So this group link you can ask the management team, they will provide you and you can join that group. Okay, and you can ask me any doubt, but please make sure to ask doubt only related to task there. Okay, so yes, so after clearing your all doubts within 7 days, you have to complete your task. Okay, so and now the question is how to submit your task. So basically, on LinkedIn and GitHub, on two platforms, you have to submit your task. For more clarity about the submission, the management team will guide you. Okay, they automatically will guide you, and if you face more doubt, then you can ask them one to one. They will guide you how to submit your task. Okay, so this is how it will go. And for Python developer, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook software. It depends on you if you want to use VS Code or any software. Okay, so you can use for this domain. Okay, so this is how this internship will go, and there will be like one class in a 1 week approx. Okay, there will be no regular classes. Okay, because you have to complete your task also. Okay, so estimate approx there will be a one class in a 1 week, and this all kind of schedule things management team will tell you, will update you in your WhatsApp group only. Okay, so yes, this is how this internship will go. And so those who have any more doubt, they can ask me in the chat box right now, or else we'll start the Task-1 class. Okay, so those who have any more doubt, they can ask me in the chat box about this internship domain, anything. Then within 5 minutes we'll start your Task-1 class. Any doubt, guys? You want to ask anything, you can ask me in the chat box, or you can speak also if you want. If no doubt, then can I start your Task-1 class? Okay. Okay, so this is your Jupyter notebook. I'll show you the code, and side by side we'll see the description also. Okay, so in your Task-1 there will be a like a proper questions bank. Okay, which you have to do in your Python language. And yes, you have to solve, like there will be a proper objective, input, output, hint how to do in your that PDF. Okay, and here's the code. I'll give you like a hint kind of thing how to do your each task. Okay, then after these tasks, these bundle of tasks, there will be a one small project which you have to do. You have to make a Python code for that project. Okay, so here Task-1 is your objective is to do the sum of two numbers. Okay, so basically Yes. So in this, what you have to do, you have to add two numbers together. Okay. And how you will do, you have to use the plus operator to calculate the sum of two numbers and return the result. This is the function here we have made. Def keyword you have to use. This is the function name and these are the parameters you have called. And by using the return function a plus b, this will add your two numbers. So this is your example. Here we have taken 5, 10 and this sum by calling this function is here 50. Now your task 2 is your odd or even. So this will check if a number is odd or even. So how? You have to use this modulus operators to see if there's a remainder when dividing the number by 2. If the remainder is 0, it's even, otherwise it's odd. Okay, and this is your example 7. 7 is odd. Now task 3 is your factorial calculation. So in this, what it does, it calculates the factorial of a number. Like if it's 3, if the input is 3, then it will calculate 3 into 2 into 1 like this. Okay, so how? Here we have used a loop, for loop. Okay, this will multiply all numbers from 1 to the given number. Okay, for example 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how it will multiply, this function will do. And here's the result, and factorial 5 is 120. Now task 4, which is Fibonacci sequence, what it does, it will generate the first n numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so how? You have to start with 0 and 1 and then keep the adding last two numbers. You have to use for loop. Okay, last two number to get the next number in a sequence. Like this you have to do for Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so here's the 10 and this is your Fibonacci sequence. Now comes the reverse of string. So for reverse, you have to use, for reverses the order of, what this will do, this will reverses the order of a character in the string. So how to do? You have to use slicing with this. Okay, this slicing you have to use, okay, to create a new string with characters in reverse order. Here is hello, now reverse hello is this. Okay, now task 6 is your palindrome check. This will check if a string reads the same forward and backward. How to do? You have to compare the string to its reversed slicing. Okay, reverse slicing you have to compare. Here radar, so it's palindrome or not? Yes, it's palindrome. If you read from this radr, from backward also it is radr. Okay, now task 7 is your leap year check. So this will determine, this function will determine if a year is a leap year or not. So how to do? A year is a leap year if it's divisible by 4. Okay, and it's not divisible by 100 unless also divisible by 400. So this function you can make for checking leap year. Okay, this is our example 2024 and it says is 2024 a leap year? True. Armstrong number. So this function will check if a number is an Armstrong number or not. So how to do? Here you have to split the number into its digits, raises each digit to the power of the total number of digits, and check if the sum equals the original number or not. Example here 153 and this is your Armstrong. Okay, now the tasks are completed. Now this is the short project you have to do, okay, which is your custom encryption decryption system. So what it does, basically encrypt and decrypt a message using a shift. Okay, so how this work? Encryption, in this each letter in the text is shifted by a specified number. If you use encryption, each letter in the text is shifted by a specified number. Example 3 in the alphabet, then this will be shift 3. Okay, like it will plus, if it's here is e. Okay, here is e first, here is e. So if you'll see a b c d e, okay, it's on the fourth number, and if you add 3 more, okay, so then it will become H. Okay, F G H, this becomes now H. Okay, and in encryption also non-alphabetic characters like spaces or punctuation stay the same. Okay, so now we'll talk about the decryption. So this will reverse the process by shifting letter back by the same amount. Okay, so this is how you have to make, this is the code. Encryption, you have to make a code for encryption, decryption. This is encryption and this is your decryption, and this is the message which is hello world, and shift key here is 3, means in encryption this will come 3 words forward. Okay, and decryption it will be same only. Okay, for first you will do encryption, then you will do decryption. Okay, so this is your example. First message is your hello world, encrypted value is your core this, and decrypted is again same. Okay, so like this you have to make this code. So I hope the description of task is clear. All tasks you have to perform these bundle of tasks, okay, for your task 1, and then in the last you have to do this very mini project for custom encryption decryption system you have to make. Okay, so yes, I hope it's clear what you have to do in your task 1. Also, now also if it's not clear, then you can ask me any doubt in the chat box right now. So is this task is clear to you all? Yes or no? Please confirm me in the chat box. Yes, yes, okay, okay. So please complete and submit your task on time, because you have to complete and submit your all tasks for receiving completion certificate of this internship. And if you face any more doubt later, then you can ask me in the doubt group, okay, Telegram. So yes, this was all about your task 1 class. So Shri Pallavi, I don't know when is the submission. This all things you can ask management team, because I don't know any details about this. Okay, within like 7 days from today, within 7 days you have to submit your task. Okay, yes. Okay, so those who have any more doubt, they can ask me in the chat box. Okay, right now. Else, you all can leave now. Okay, the class is over, and we'll see you in next task then. Okay, thank you.